What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's a Forex Daddy Zambia's finest, and today is day 12 of the trading challenge. We're going to see so far we have made 3,831.61 runs in just 11 days. So it's day 12, and we're going to check from the 30th of June to 1st of July to the 1st of July. Right? Yes, like that. How much did it make? Okay, on this day it made 914.53 runs, and thereby giving us a total of, let's check, from the 19th of June to the 1st of July, giving us a total of 3,831.61 runs, which is not bad at all, considering that we're using this robot challenge on the smallest lot sizes. Otherwise, ensure that you follow me for more.